Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the new quest prize. What? Okay, now that I've completed the quest, I've played Roblox for 15 minutes. I can claim it. I'm just going to select this and I'm going to select claim reward. Just verifying this first. And then I'm going to copy this and I'm going to press done. Obviously, I'm just going to censor that. But that is it. Just copy and paste the code. I think you redeem it in like the Roblox like gift card area or the one on the website. I'm just going to go here and I'm going to select redeem Roblox codes and I'm going to input that code and hopefully I can redeem it. And it says code successfully redeemed. Now I own Bobo the picnic bear, and I'm just going to go back and I'll just go to Roblox here and I am going to go to customize accessories and it should be there in shoulder. I only see it because of my avatar. Maybe I'll change it right now. Whoops. Switch. That's because of my hair. But it's there. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, and stuff like that. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.